To create PDF in Canva app, let's come over to our custom size here and select this one, 8.5 by 11 inch. You can actually type the width here 8.5 and the height 11 and change the unit here to inch. This is the US liter. I'm going to select that to open a blank new page. I will come over to my templates. If I want to create a PDF from a template here, I would select template I can work with from here. Let's click on this template. You see it has added into a page. So you want to start to edit this PDF, input your own data. If you want to expand to go into the detail of what you're doing, you can use your two fingers to pinch in, and you see you can now click into something and continue to edit that part of your PDF. Let's click out and shrink this back down. Once you're done editing your PDF, you can add in more pages from here if you still want to add more pages to your PDF. And if you go back into the templates here, you can continue to add pages or design the pages that you want to add. You can pretty much change this in how you would change any other design. Once you're done editing this to your own liking, you will click on this arrow here and come over to download. From the file type here, you want to click this drop down here and select PDF standard if you're going to be sharing it to people through email. But if I'm going to be printing it, I'm going to click on PDF print. And if you're printing professionally, you can select CMYK best for professional printing, but I'm going to leave mine as RGB best for digital use. You can flatten your PDF from here, and if you have a reading order of how your PDF is going to be read when printed, you can set it up from here, and after that you click on download to download your PDF onto your device.